Hello one and all. Once more I am available to teach all of you the differential calculus, and today I am going to start exercise 2D. In exercise 2D, this format should be remembered: d by dx of u by v. d by dx of u by v, start from v square and again from v square v. d by dx of u minus, exchange this u, d by dx of v. So remember this formula. After that, the first question of this kind, exercise 2D, is e to the power x by 1 plus sin x. So start from 1 plus sin x the whole square, and at the same time 1 plus sin x. d by dx of second function ex minus ex, exchange this, d by dx of 1 plus sin x. Now this is 1 plus sin x whole square and 1 plus sin x, differentiation of ex in ex itself you already know, minus ex, differentiation of 1 is 0 and sin x is cos x. Now ex can be taken common, so 1 plus sin x plus minus cos x by 1 plus sin x whole square. The problem is done. Now let us start another. Second number is very easy, so I have left for the students. Next, third number, x square sin x by 1 minus x. So by according to this rule, v square, so 1 minus x ka whole square, and start with 1 minus x. d by dx of x square sin x minus x square sin x out this side, then 1 minus sin x this side. X square sin x is product from uv form. I have discussed d by dx of uv is equal to u, d by dx of v plus v, d by dx of u. On the basis of this, it has been done. X square sin x, this is x square out, d by dx of sin x plus sin x out, d by dx of x square. Sin x is cos x, x square is 2x, so this much. Now put the value of x square sin x with differential coefficient, this minus x square sin x 1, the differentiation of 1 is 0 and x is 1. Now this minus minus becomes plus, so plus x square sin x, this is as usual, so your answer is over. Now moving towards another problem, fourth number. This is fourth number problem. Let me copy the fourth number. 1 minus tan x by 1 plus tan x. If y is equal to 1 minus tan x by 1 plus tan x, prove that dy by dx is equal to minus 2 by 1 plus sin 2x. Minus 2 by 1 plus sin 2x. Now let us start. Students, earlier in trigonometry I have told you that there is a ready-made formula for 1 minus tan x by 1 plus tan x. This is tan, 1 stands for pi by 4 minus x. So this is tan pi by 4 minus x. So dy by dx is equal to d by dx of, put the value of y, 1 minus tan x by 1 plus tan x. After that, we know that 1 minus tan x by 1 plus tan x is tan pi by 4 minus x. Tan pi by 4 minus x. And differentiation of tan x, d by dx of tan x is sec square x. But in place of x, there is fx, this much. So d by dx of tan fx. For any function, this is true for x, not for fx. For any function fx, this is fx, is equal to sec square fx into d by dx of fx. Now again, this is sec square pi by 4 minus x into fx. Fx is pi by 4 minus x. D by dx of pi by 4 minus x. So this is your, now you have to differentiate this. After that, this is sec square, this is brought to denominator, cos square pi by 4 minus x into the differentiation of constant is 0 and x is minus x is 1. So this is minus 1 by cos A into cos B plus sin A into sin B. Cos A into cos B plus sin A into sin B and whole square. Now putting the value of cos pi by 4, 1 by root 2. So this is minus 1 by, this is 1 by root 2 into cos x plus 1 by root 2 into sin x whole square. Now 1 by root 2 common along with this square. So 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2 is common. So this is minus 1 by root 2 whole square. And remaining is cos x plus sin x. Cos x plus sin x whole square. So when this will brought to numerator, this will be minus 2 by, and cos x plus sin x whole square, we know from trigonometry 1 plus sin 2x is equal to cos x plus sin x whole square, and 1 minus sin 2x is equal to cos x minus sin x whole square. These two formula are like saving formula from trigonometry. So this will be 1 plus sin 2x. The problem is done. This is proved. Now students, the same problem can be done by, this is with the help of trigonometry. I have taken the help from trigonometry. But suppose you are in habit of using this formula, you can also start in this way. Again, this way, this is the second method, students, second method. I am going to, second method is the real method. This is the real method. If you are not knowing the trigonometry, if trigonometry is not known to you, then this is not known to you, then what to be done? 1 plus tan x whole square. Start from this, 1 plus tan x into d by dx of 1 minus tan x minus 1 minus tan x d by dx of 1 plus tan x. So you can also do by this method. This is more complicated than that very method I have discussed in the first, 1 plus tan x. Now the differentiation of 1 is 0 minus tan x is sec square x minus 1 minus tan x, and differentiation of 1 is 0 plus sec square x. The student, sec square x is common. So you can take common, it will be easier to you, tan x whole square. After that, sec square x is common. So we are left with 1 plus tan x. But this, due to this negative, this will be minus 1, this will be minus tan x. So minus 1 minus tan x. And now you are left with this 1 minus tan x. So due to this minus and plus, so minus 1 plus tan x divided by 1 plus tan x whole square. Now this tan x cancel, and after that you will simplify to get this answer. If you will change sec to cos, sin, tan to sin and cos, and after that squaring we get the same thing. No need to discuss this. It is left for the readers. This is the second method. Next question. Fifth number. D by dx of sin x plus cos x students, if you know trigonometry, I have suggested you that dividing, this is sin x plus cos x, sin x minus cos x, cos x. So divide by, first of all take minus common, d by dx. This is cos x plus sin x. Taking minus common from this will be cos x minus sin x. Why I have taken minus common from this? Minus common. There is a reason behind this taking minus common. Divide numerator denominator by cos x. So this will be minus d by dx of cos x divided by cos x. This is 1 plus tan x by this is 1 minus tan x. After that again the same formula will act. If this is plus and this is minus, this will be plus. So this is minus. In place of this we can write this. In place of this, tan pi by 4 plus x. So minus tan pi by 4 plus x. If you are in habit of remembering the formula of trigonometry, the trigonometry will give you the fast answer. U by v takes more time, but you are getting less time. So this is minus d by dx of this. After that, d by dx of tan x is sec square x, but this formula is true only for x. So this is d by dx of tan fx. Tan fx in place of fx, this is your fx. Tan fx is equal to sec square fx into d by dx of fx. Now use this minus sec square fx pi by 4 plus x into d by dx of pi by 4 plus x. Now this is minus sec square pi by 4 plus x, and this is 0, the constant is 0, plus differentiation of d by dx of x is 1. So simply your answer is minus sec square pi by 4 plus x. So with the help of trigonometry, it can be answered fastly. If you are not knowing this, then you will go through u by v method. The second method is u by v. So this is v square sin x minus cos x whole square. Then starting from sin x minus cos x and d by dx of sin x plus cos x minus, again this will be exchanged. So sin x plus cos x into d by dx of sin x minus cos x. Now differentiate this. Sin x minus cos x as usual. Sin x minus cos x. Now differentiation of sin x is cos x, and differentiation of cos x is minus sin x. So this is minus sin x minus, this is as usual, sin x plus cos x into differentiation of sin x is cos x minus, cos x is minus sin x. So minus minus becomes plus. This minus and one more minus becomes plus. So this is sin x by sin x minus cos x whole square. Now you have to simplify this. Sin x minus cos x minus sin x. So, and this is sin x plus cos x plus sin x. Now simplify this and get the answer. Multiply this and then multiply this, then change the sign and get the answer. This is the second method left for the readers. Now exercise 2D. I am going to start main exercise 2D. Main exercise 2D. This is the problem number 11. Root a plus root x d by dx of root a plus root x by root a minus root x. No trigonometry here, so you are compelled to use this. If trigonometry will be available only, then you can use the trigonometrical substitution. Now this is root a minus root x whole square and start from the same thing, root a minus root x into d by dx of root a plus root x minus d by dx of exchange. This will be outside, root a plus root x. This will be outside, and d by dx of root a minus root x. So this, now root a minus root x, and the differentiation of constant is 0, And I have already told you that the differentiation of root x is 1 by 2 root x minus root a plus root x into again differentiation of root a is 0 and this is minus 1 by 2 root x by root a minus root x whole square. Now there is a system of taking common. If you are not taking common, you will face difficulty unnecessary. So this is taken common. So 1 by 2 root x is taken common. So we are left with root a minus root x and this minus minus becomes plus. So plus root a minus root x by root a minus root x whole square. Now see the cancellation. Something went wrong. This a minus x, a minus root a minus root x, 1 by 2 root x, and this minus minus becomes plus root a plus root a. This is plus. Yes, that this is cancelled. So we are left with the final answer 2 root a. 2 root a by 2 root x, root a minus root x whole square. So this is cancelled and you are left with the final answer. Thank you very much, students. The other problem of this part will be discussed in another video. Thank you.